And this is the early bird bunch. They up by daylight.
Put back the door. Morning.
Or I don't even think they go to bed because they in the same spot that when we left last night.
He himself on his camera.
Yeah.
What year is that?
11.
2022. Alright. Good morning again. I believe everything's plugged in today. Of course, today I left my glasses in the room. I had to go back to get my glasses. My sunglasses. So this is day 5, I guess. It's Friday. Yep. Monday to Friday is 5 days. Today I think we're riding over somewhere and going to Walker Mountain and Armory Store to eat and back here and then that, yeah. Mr. Mustache and them done went by. Yeah, We was getting ready to go. Well, Hardy's everybody went to the drive-thru today. Alright, everybody's getting their stuff together. Yeah, buddy. Hello. Audio, yep, everything working. Glasses, check. GoPro, stop recording. Whew. Alright, we on the 19460. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. I just wanted to show you way up yonder. Well, we're in West Virginia now. Yep, let's see. We on 598. Wee. Brandon Road. Two on the outside running their flashers. That's our blockers. real loud. I can't hold y'all. That voice has been talking too much. All right, he said, right, hug the white line because you might need a log truck or a hog hauling truck deal, coal truck. Might meet the coal miner's daughter, then you might meet Jesus. Or El Delabo, you never know. Woo-hoo. GoPro, start recording. Hey, welcome to Blue Bike and Doors channel. For the Friday night meetup. Bunch of bikes down there, nobody I know. That's a new Airbnb called the Traveler. I know what I'm doing. That's good, just leave it there. Well, maybe he's going.
Well, I didn't know where I was.
Okay.
I had to pull off
To see.
to put it in my GPS.
Yeah. Well, just to note that if you go on this road, just stay right and put you back on that
That's the way I come
460.
in.
Okay.
Yeah. But I
And then,
didn't-
yeah, it's confusing.
I didn't know where I was.
Yeah. Or when, from where you turned around it, you come down to that next little intersection, that'll put you straight back on.
So I just pulled off and stopped.
Do you know Papa Biker? No, that he's here. He's staying with us. Not with us, but he's staying in the hotel. The big guy in the white bike right there. Yeah. He's from North Carolina, Papa Biker. He don't have a big following, you know.
I'll definitely check him out. I'll give him another follow.
Yeah, that was Donna Grace that she had to lift him up before we sitting there. Well, what's chasing them? I guess they, no.
They're here somewhere.
Yeah, they said they was coming. We've been waiting on them at the hotel. But I guess they changed their mind. Hey, GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Hey, listen. Well, I didn't record nothing. That's the other blue bike. Pull on up here.